Hello friends, in this video I will show how to use some feature, some formula in Microsoft Word table. So insert table, adjust the size for this table. Now insert your number. Now you need result here. Click this cell in the home tab, select sum. So you have this result. You need this feature. So click on home, file, options, customize ribbon, and here select all commands. And guys, you need to find out sum in this list. So select and add. And guys, you need to select a group here. Also, you can create a new group and select, then add it. So this is the method you can use AutoSum formula in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.